Here is the most insane weapon in the current conflict. Forget about DShK bipod version, this gun is much bigger. Today on City Tank channel, portable 23mm autocannon, which has no name. It was cannibalized from ZU-23 anti-aircraft weapon. Original ZU-23 has over 950 kilos of weight and about 69 kilonewtons of recoil. Of course, no one can operate this weapon on the go, or even from a bipod. The weapon platform consists of two autocannons chambered for 23 by 152mm cartridge assembled in one mount. It takes seconds to remove one of them. 2A14 cannon with 1000 rounds per minute rate of fire was taken for the further modifications, so the recoil decreased twice, which is good but not enough. Next step, two shoulder rests were added. The most secret part is the counter-recoil mechanism with undisclosed principle of movement. The mechanism redirects recoil forward. Because of being an early prototype, the cannon is not balanced well, and after each shot the shoulder rests are pushed forward from the operator, so the second member of the crew should stay behind him and pull the shoulder rests back, either with ropes or with his own hands. The third crew member controls correct belt feeding, and on the later footage holds the screen in front of the operator's face. The picture on the screen is captured by the fourth crew member that operates a thermal camera and in some cases corrects fire with voice commands.
Выше!
We could only suppose how this counter-recoil mechanism works, but before military service, the inventor, you may see him on the screen, as the cannon operator, worked as a chief designer at a company producing suppressors for both civil and military use, and thus we can suppose that the mechanism is a finicky huge muzzle brake. For example, there is always too much fume after each burst. On the later footage, the operator, call sign Mick Dundee, even had to use a respirator. Of course, the accuracy is far from ideal, but it's enough to engage a proper room with an enemy shooter inside it. With two types of cartridges in the belt, autocannon is able to crush down both reinforced concrete walls and ceilings. The first cartridge type is high explosive fragmentation incendiary tracer round, having 18.5 grams of explosive. The other type is armor piercing incendiary tracer penetrating 15mm of steel armor installed at 60 degrees at range of 700 meters. With both of them, the cannon has maximum range of 2000 meters. 2A14 is rather effective. During the conflict in Nigeria, gunmen even managed to destroy weaker tanks with ZU-23s mounted on technical vehicles. 23 by 152mm cartridges are also interchangeable with different types of Swiss, Finnish, Bulgarian and Polish armor-piercing rounds. What is your favorite autocannon/machine gun to be cannibalized? M230LF, KPV, M242, Bushmaster 2, GSH-23, maybe Ehrlichen GDF-005. Share your own opinion with the rest of our team in the comment section. To see more insane and rare weapons, stay tuned, subscribe City Tank channel.
Да, огонь!
Левее, левее! Ниже!
Начинаем, работаем. Нет, не дослал, тросик полностью уйти должен. Нет, чуть-чуть нет. Вот, Цезарь. Чтобы вот. Поднимаем.
Ваня, это Аким.
Коля, готов? Да.
Чип, запись.
Зашел. Да. Чип. Ленту подавай, все. Готовься. Коля, помоги. Готов.
Вижу, высовывают. Давай, я
Выше!
чуть-чуть! Вот! Добавляй! Два ниже, 2 метра. Отлично. Хорошо, давай еще.
Верите, Боря только говорит.
Давай, давай.
Давай. Давай. Чуть правее.
Правей. Ниже.
Чип лес.
Давай.
Перезаряжай. Задержка.
Прикурили.
Работает.
Корректируй.
Давай. Выше. Отлично.
Задержка.
Задержка.
Отец, прием. Кабинет, Владимир Алексеевич.
Работаем.
Пары на приеме, отец. Отец, что там?
Левее. Пусто. Подход.
Отходи. Что запись, пацан?
Выше.
Да.
Выше.
Да, принял.
Левее.
Да.
Ниже. Отлично. Левее. Вот
Осечка.
нормально.
Осечка.
Пошел.
Нормально. Отлично. Хорошо. Левее немного. Отлично.
Давай.
Бежать не могу. Осечка. Осечка.
Цезарь, осечка.
Подставку. Держу. Дышать нечем. Мы такой в стороне, блядь, немножко.
По крайней правой посмотри. Если видно тебя.
Камера.
Пошел.
Не выше.
Все, пусто.
Стой.
Все.
Подставка.